That's another wiper for sure. Guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're back out here on the lake again today, and we are targeting wipers and white bass. They've been tough here lately, but I don't know if you can see that right over there. We have a JawJacker set up on the boat because, you know, we had such a short ice fishing season. Why not, right? And a dead stick in the water can never hurt. So we're gonna try that and we'll see how that goes. It's really windy out here, so I apologize in advance for the wind noise. Stay tuned. Got one on the JawJacker. It's a white bass. First fish of the day on the JawJacker. How about that? Get him back. Lots of activity on the bottom right there. Got another one on the JawJacker. Another white bass. Okay. Another white bass on the JawJacker. Okay. Heavy guy. Looks like the one I just caught. Get him back in there. That's maybe bigger. Yep, that's our wiper. They have me tangled up. Jeez. Oh man, that's not good. Got one on that too. Felt like it. Got us a wiper on the JawJacker. Finally. On the little baby ice rod. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. My drag right here. Feels like a pretty good one. It is a pretty good one. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. The giant. Nice wiper on the JawJacker. Can't complain about that. Not one bit. Get him back in the water. See you, buddy. Calm down. Everything's going to be on the JawJacker today. That's another wiper for sure. For sure, for sure. Might be even bigger than the last one. Should have weighed that last one. Fighting big fish on a tiny rod. Come on back here, buddy. Come on back up here. That's another good one. That's fun. Wiper number 2 on the JawJacker today. Let's get it back. Hey buddy, you gonna go or what? So guys, every fish I've caught so far today has been on the JawJacker. I just can't seem to get them by casting, so I'll take it. It's been a couple wipers, couple nice wipers, and a few white bass, but that's the thing I'm catching them on. It's a Smeldinator jig head, 1/0, 3/8 ounce, and a Berkeley Gulp minnow. I think it's a 3-inch. That's what they're wanting. Got him. Get up here. White bass. Big white bass though. JawJacker's doing it. It's doing it all. White bass, going back. Plenty down. If I can jig one with the ice rod. Ooh, what do we got? What do we got? Wiper. Wiper. Yeah, buddy. Loosen up a little bit. There's all kinds of trees around here, so I don't want to give him too much. Yeah. Jig that guy with the ice rod. Nice little wiper. See, bud? Another white, I think. From under my boat. Oh. Another white. This time on the JawJacker. Come on now. It's a nice fish right there. Get him back. Got that one. Yeah. That's awesome. White bass on the ice rod. That's fun. That's fun. See ya. Go bass. Knew he was gonna eat it. Came up super fast. Charged it. White bass, I think. Pretty sure. I knew you was gonna eat it, buddy. Nice little white. There we go. Got that guy. Got that guy. Maybe a wiper. Pulling awful hard. Probably a white bass though. Yep. White bass. Oh, for just a second we had a catfish. But it was a white bass. That one came after it pretty good. Why aren't they all like that? White bass.